Meaning of data type.
Data type.
Data type.
Data type.
Data type. A data type is a classification that specifies the type of value that a variable or expression in computer programming can take. It determines the kind of operations that can be performed on that data, as well as the way in which the data is stored in memory. Common data types include integers, floating point numbers, characters, and Boolean values. A programmer must specify the data type of a variable when it is declared, and this helps to ensure that the program operates correctly. Choosing the appropriate data type is an important consideration for efficient and effective programming.